Got a cool range of birds for you today, starting with these guys that land in our yard from time to time, moving on to a corporate jet, a military helicopter, and a small engine plane. That pinging you hear is acorns falling onto our metal roof. Plane. It belongs to Belk's department store. It's brought some executives in to do some work at the store, and then it's going to go on back to Charlotte.
It cruises at 300 knots. The service ceiling is 35,000. We normally fly it in the high 20s. It's where the engines are most economical. They're jet engines with propellers.
Taking off in this plane.
One of them just asked me point blank, are you CIA? Their English is very broken. He said, you CIA?
Come on in.
At first I didn't know what they were. Military.
Come into my plane. See what you think. 2, 4, 6, 8 passengers, 1 jump seat. Yeah, I could get used to this. Is this good? You couldn't turn it off and on, or did you? And you were like, maybe. All right. So is this what they? What Charlie's friends took to Europe, just a little bit bigger. 12. Alrighty, the suits have arrived. There's their van leaving. They are getting on the plane, and we're gonna get to see it take off. There's my car. Actually, they're gonna have to wait for this little plane. Not that they're all on the plane anyway, but he's gonna finish taxiing in. Here we go. Engine 1 started. And here, you can hear the little plane in the background too. He's right there. All right, here goes engine 2. Ready to catch up with engine 1. Oh my, they're gonna have to wait for the helicopter to land. Well, I don't know if it's gonna land. He may be just doing a flyover. Here he comes. Nope, not landing, just doing a flyover. All right, taxiing. I'll give you a good view of how far our runway is. Let me back off. He's probably halfway. Okay, he's at the very end. See him turning around. And getting ready to come on back our way and lift off. Alrighty. Power up, power up, power up, power up. And we're up and away. Hey, look, our little plane that just landed is going to take off too. Now we'll get to see the difference. It's going to taxi on down. And come back into the wind. The breeze. Definitely a breeze today, no wind. Here he comes. Oh man, he was up quick. Beautiful.